What's up, guys? Today I will show you how to do the Super Mario Maker 1 and 2 trick, the helicopter, used in most levels. So if you have Super Mario World, or like you're playing on emulator, you can use this trick. Okay, all you gotta do is run, and then spin jump. Bam. And that's all for today. But now I'm gonna speed run it. Or just gonna play it for you guys. So enjoy. Okay, I'm almost dead. Checkpoint. Yeah. I'm not gonna do a speed run, I'm just gonna do some really cool tricks and stuff. Poor Mushroom, by the way. RIP Mushroom in the chat. Impressed by the skill. Come on. Dang it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.